In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify theme, a full tutorial that will help you make your online store unique and professional looking. Whether you're looking to personalize your store's appearance or optimize the layout for better user experience, this guide will help you every step of the way. First things first, let's dive straight into the online store theme section within your Shopify admin panel. Here, you can access the theme library and select your active theme for editing. This is the foundational step as it allows you to see all the customization options available to you. Once you're in, we're going to start with the header. The header is the first element your customers will see, so making it visually appealing is crucial. Click on the header section to begin customizing. Here you can change the position of your logo and adjust its color to better fit your brand identity. A well-placed logo enhances brand recognition and sets the tone for your customers' shopping experience, so take your time to get this right. Next, let's move to the image banner, a fantastic opportunity to grab attention and make an impactful first impression. You can upload your own image, and it's a good idea to ensure it's of high quality and reflective of your brand's ethos. Alongside this, you have the option to set the height of the banner and add engaging animations to make it more dynamic. This can be particularly effective in drawing in your visitors and encouraging them to explore further. As we proceed, consider adding a template to showcase more products. This step is about expanding your store's offerings in an organized way. Simply click on Add section, and you'll be presented with various options to choose from. Select the template that best suits your products. This flexibility allows you to design your store structure that highlights your products effortlessly. While you are customizing, make sure to explore other features Shopify themes offer. These features often include style settings, button appearances, typography settings, and much more. Each theme is unique, offering various elements that you can tweak for a distinctive look and feel. Delving into these might even spark some creative ideas you haven't thought of yet. Before wrapping up your customization journey, it's critical to save all your changes. You wouldn't want all your creative efforts to be lost. Saving ensures that all adjustments you made are safely stored and ready to go live when you are. And there you go. With these steps, you'll have reshaped your online store's aesthetic and functionality, setting it apart from the competition. Remember, customizing your Shopify theme is not just about aesthetics. It's an essential part of creating a brand presence that resonates with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy customizing!